I'm Gavin, and I'm going to make you some sweet potato waffles. We're back today making sweet potato waffles. We're making sweet potato waffles versus regular wheat waffles because they're more nutritious, they're a lot heartier, so they're filling, and they're delicious. Alright, so let's begin. So first we have the star of the show, sweet potatoes, which I briefly cooked in the microwave and mashed up. Then we have some oats. We're going to make a little oat flour out of these. We're going to put these oats in for about 10 to 12 pulses. We don't really want a nice smooth flour. We want to still be able to have pieces of oats. Let's take a look. This looks good. It's a bit coarser than cornmeal, almost like grits. Now let's add the sweet potato. The beta carotene adds nice color to your sweet potato and your waffles. Gotta get all that goodness in there. Now we have salt and baking powder. We have cinnamon and freshly ground nutmeg. Fresh ground nutmeg tastes a lot better than the pre-ground stuff. Then we're going to add 2 eggs. These are large chicken eggs. And about half a cup of milk. Add part of your milk at first. Let's blend this until a thick batter. We have to add more liquid. This helps it blend together. Let's take a look. Does it flow? Yep, this looks ready. Make sure to follow the instructions on your particular waffle iron, because they're all different. Green means go. Let's give it a little spritz of oil. Your waffle iron should be hot first. Let's add the batter now. Put it right in the center. And now we wait. Ooh, look at that. That looks delicious. Let's repeat. Let's wait again. Time to check it. Looks like I put a little too little batter and it made me a smaller waffle. They can stick if you don't use enough oil. Looks delicious anyway. Let's eat up. Gonna drizzle on a little maple syrup. You don't need much, because the sweet potatoes themselves are sweet. This is really good. If you want more cooking videos like these with easy tricks and easy recipes, hit the subscribe button down below and like the video. Thanks!